This is for all my girls that swear they cannot do makeup. Yes, you can. This is a 5 minute makeup tutorial with just a few products. Let's dive into it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vibe with Ceebeauty. If you're a first timer, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Vibe with Ceebeauty. Like and drop a comment. Thank you. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be going in with my moisturizer.
First, I'll quickly apply my moisturizer and massage it very well into my skin. Allow it to dry down before going in with the next products. So because I have an oily skin, I need a mattifying or blurring primer to control oil because I need my makeup to stay in place. So while the primer settles into my skin, I'll use the opportunity to brush my brows hairs with edge control. Setting the whole face with a setting powder before going in with your powder or foundation is one of the best hacks for my oily skin girlies. Next is my face powder all over my face. Try as much as possible to use your exact shade of powder for that skin-like finish. Blend and make sure you blend very well. You blend in the powder into your skin. I'll do a tiny bit of blush just to bring some color and warmth all over my face. Fill in the scanty areas with brow pencil so they look fuller. A quick nude lip combo on my lips. Mascara on my lashes. And lastly, setting spray to just lock everything in. And a little bit of gloss on the lips. And we're done.